we have received our very first real life images of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and it shows some interesting things. But before we start, hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you love what we do here, hitting that subscribe button would be great. So alongside the real images, we also do have the most detailed renders of the Samsung Galaxy S21 series, so it is a superbly exciting day. Let's talk about the renders first and then we will look at the real device. So here we can see the size difference between the Galaxy S21, S21 Plus and the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and the fact that the Ultra has quad camera system with the Galaxy S21 and the S21 Plus only having a triple camera system. Also, the camera module is much smaller on the Galaxy S21 Plus than it is on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Also, for the very first time we have the SIM tray on the bottom of a Samsung flagship, which is definitely not a big deal. It's not going to affect you in any way, shape or form, but it's at least worth mentioning. This new camera design will also help the Galaxy S21 series to differentiate and stand out from the pond of smartphones with the exact same camera rectangle on the top left. Every smartphone currently from Samsung, OnePlus, Huawei, Oppo, Vivo is looking exactly the same, which has gotten so much boring. Now coming to the very first real leaked images of the Galaxy S21 series, these are courtesy of Sakitech, and on the left we have the Galaxy S21 Ultra with the Galaxy S21 Plus being on the right. We have some legal stuff blurred out to protect the source, but we can see both of the smartphones have a black color with the matte finish. Now, as we know, the Ultra has a back panel made up of glass and the Galaxy S21 Plus uses plastic. As of now, both of them look about the same, but in hand the Ultra will definitely be much more premium. We can once again confirm this new design where the side frame lifts up and becomes the camera bump and then ends in a similar fashion, giving the S21 series a differentiating look. On the Galaxy S21 Plus, the flashlight is outside of the module, but on the Ultra, the flashlight is integrated with the camera bump, which features a laser autofocus system, a 3x zoom lens of 10 megapixel, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, 108 megapixel regular lens, and a 10 megapixel 10x optical zoom periscope lens. And reports have pointed out that this is going to be the best zoom lens on any smartphone, period. On the Galaxy S21 Plus, we have a slightly downgraded camera setup of 12 megapixel regular, 12 megapixel ultra wide and a 64 megapixel zoom lens. The price of the Galaxy S21 series is also getting a little bit cheaper for these smartphones, which I will cover in a new video, so for that make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let me know guys, do you like this new design of the camera module? Smash the like button if you enjoyed. You can also say hi to me on Twitter any day, anytime. And guys, thanks a lot for watching.